Not ready to commit $5,999 to the Fire Sprinkler CAD Guided Accelerator? I get it. It's a real number. It's not a decision you make lightly. That's exactly why we built Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics. It's the 13D portion of our most recent live cohort, recorded and ready when you are. Same instruction, same demonstrations, same workflow taught to the students who pay $5,999 to attend live. For $999, self-guided, you get the recorded lectures, a working template, and 2 real NFPA 13D practice projects. And here's what makes this different from any other entry-level program you've seen. The full $999 you pay for basics counts as a credit toward the Guided Accelerator. So if you start with basics and later decide you want the live cohort with 13R and 13 tenant improvement projects, weekly review, and everything else, you don't pay $999 plus the $5,999. You just pay the difference, and you'll get the newest version of everything, refreshed with whatever we've improved since your recording. Basics is a smart way to start. Learn 13D on your own terms. Prove to yourself this is the right path. And when you're ready to go all in, your $999 comes with you. Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics. $999. Self-guided. Credit towards the full program. Start basics today. The link is in the comments.